Well, around a pool, you got a lot of moisture, humidity. It's typically in a really high sun area. The best product to use, if you want the best product around, you'd use PVC. It doesn't soak up any water. It is by far the best product around a pool. If you put composite or you put wood, there's a chance that it'll soak up that in that humid environment. So PVC is the best product around a pool for sure. You do have the expansion contraction issue, which you control via installation, but you can put PVC boards in water and they're not going to break down. So that's we see different decks and so forth on docks, but you won't use composite because there is wood and it will get up through either the bottom or the ends of the board eventually, especially in a soaked environment where you got water washing on it all the time. PVC is not going to soak up any of that, and it's going to be literally an infinite life around the pool. There's a lot of options. The PVC side has just as many options as the composite side, I would say. The different colors, the different wood grains. On the PVC side, they do market to the slipperiness of it because it is around a pool and it is around water. They will market more there because it is a solid PVC board. It's got a cap on it that has your wood grain. If you have a particular look that you want to go for, the options are endless there. Whether you want a brown wood or you want a gray modern look, or you want hand scraped, or they have a lot of options when it comes to the PVC just as much. You can go with thicker boards, you can go with different width boards to get the look you want. Our customers find that finding what they want in PVC is just as many options, or just enough options to where they can get PVC if they really want it and get the look that they want.